The VEVOR Cat Furniture Set is designed to provide a fun and engaging playground for your feline friends, featuring a variety of components including jumping boards, nests, hammocks, and a cat tree. Crafted from high-quality E0 grade pine wood, this cat furniture set ensures durability and safety, supporting cats up to 40 pounds while maintaining a soft and slip-resistant surface with plush padding. Installation is stress-free with the included accessories and guide, making it easy for a single person to set up the cat shelves quickly and efficiently. The set includes comprehensive accessories such as metal screws and expansion tubes, ensuring a hassle-free mounting process on various wall types. This versatile cat furniture set can be arranged to fit different spaces, offering a minimalist design that blends seamlessly with any home decor. The wall-mounted setup of the VEVOR Cat Furniture Set not only saves floor space but also provides a modern and stylish addition to your living space.